Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Barbie Secret Dips to create a really fun poolside summer mani. So we're diving right into this mani today, and we're going to be using 3 colors, and we're also going to be using the gel method. And we're starting off with See You at the Beach, which is a really gorgeous foil dip powder, and these foils are amazing. So it has this beautiful shimmery base, and then it has really pretty blues, teals, purple foils in here, and they're stunning, and it's just like the perfect foil combination. So you're going to see this foil dip powder here in action first, and then we're going to move on to 2 other colors. And once you see the finished mani, it totally gave me like a poolside kind of summery mani, and I loved it so much. And these colors are just perfect, honestly, for all year long, but there's just something about it right now with it being so hot here in Wisconsin and then spending days at the pool that this mani came out perfectly, and it's the perfect poolside mani. So we're going to dive right into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in just a little bit.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. Can't see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? While the steps getting wasted, even though we feel the same. Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you let my way find my way home again? My home is you. 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 My home is you.
Alright, and here's the mani after we dip the nails, and I love this color combination with the foils, the fine glitter, and then we have that chunky glitter. So we're going to go ahead and file and buff, and this filing and buffing is super easy. Even when it came to filing and buffing that glitter nail, honestly all I had to do for this mani was just clean up the sidewalls like you see here in the free edge and the cuticle area, and that was it. This dip powder and the glitter itself and the foils laid so flat to the nail that I did not have to buff or anything like that on the top of the nail. Everything was laying really flat. So I did the same here with the chunky glitter nail here. Those glitters are laying very, very flat to the nail. So I'm just cleaning up the free edges and the sidewall, and that is it. And then I just had like a little glitter sticking up there on the top. So then you're going to see here in just a moment, I am going to take that file and gently file the top there just to remove that little piece that was sticking up there, and there we go. That is it. So I did the rest of the filing off camera, and this is the finished filing. And then to finish up this mani here, I'm going to seal everything in with a base coat. When I'm working with chunky glitters, I do like to use a base coat just to seal in the mani. I just feel like I get a more flawless finish. And then once we went ahead and placed the rest of that base coat off camera and cured it for 60 seconds, I went in with a gel top coat, and check it out. Isn't this mani so fun? I love it so much. I just think this is like the perfect, see what I mean, like poolside mani. It just has the best of both worlds with this beautiful blue and then the foils and then that chunky glitter just totally tied in this mani for me. And I love how these dip powders performed. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. And I hope you enjoyed this mani as much as I did, and I'll see you all in the next upload.